Hey guys, we're back to show you how to take a door panel off a 2021 Mazda CX-5. These ones are a little more crucial because there's something you can break in it if you don't do it properly. All I use is a Phillips screwdriver and a pry tool. Okay. So there's a cover over this screw. I kind of just pull the handle back. There's a little opening there. Put it in there. Go like that. Pops it right off. There's a little cover here. It's a little rubber shield. I kind of just wiggle it out. Take that out. One screw here. One screw here. Okay, for this one, I do the corner first. Put the pry tool in. Release that clip first, like that. Then I work my way down. So the important part for this door, there's a heavy duty clip here that doesn't pull off. You snap it if you pull it off. So once you get all your clips off, except for that corner one, you just grab the door panel, you tap it from the bottom, up, comes off. Get it? So this one to put back though, there's a little trick. Come here. You want to remove this. So the way you remove this is you push the right side, pull the right side out, you push the left side, pull the left side out, comes out, right? This you want to re-add to the door. Right here. Up. This part's crucial too. It hurts your finger if you use your finger. You don't want to use your finger. If you push from here, you snap it. So you want to go underneath here, push it up, clip it in. Now when you're putting it back, it'll just go directly and snap right in. Okay? If you don't take that door clip off properly, it shatters, and then you got to replace that. Typically on these Mazdas, we'll have one or two of these regular clips not come off, so I bought this fancy tool. It's like a clip popper, whatever. So I put it in there. Let me get it off. These are the clips. It's nice to have extras of these because if the car's really old, they break. That's all she wrote for this one. Guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit like and subscribe, and comment down below what car you want to see next.